today I got a very cool package that I can't wait to open. This is a reel from Jon B from the Guggen Squad. If you don't know who he is, he's part of a group that has been fishing on YouTube for many years now. And they're very popular. They have their own baits in pretty much any store that you go to. And I learned most of what I know from fishing from him and the other Guggens. So he was doing a live stream on Whatnot, and I tuned in. This reel caught my eye. He said it was one from his personal collection. So I went ahead and I bid on it. I won the auction. And here the reel is inside this package. I'm excited to open it up. And I'm also excited because I said I'd like him to sign something in the package. So I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like and what he might have signed inside.
Good reel. It's very small. It's like an 80 size. It's amazing.
Damn, I can't believe it goes that way.
We're going to do it. We're going to do it. I'm starting the auction. My own personal Daiwa Steez.
Fishing spin back.
Starting price, you guessed it, $1. Let's go. Apparently an $800 reel starting at $1. My own personal.
Damn.
Oh, it's going up. You guys want this reel. $470.
That's such a good price.
Yeah, that's half the price right there. $490. This reel is also basically brand new. I only use it for jerk baits, and I'm not up here that much, so
It's beautiful.
it is a beautiful reel. It's got that purple accent. It's a sexy little number. 520. It's counting down. 3. Oh, somebody spin.
Damn.
Might be a bit of a war here going on. Daniel Dan is holding strong. 2, 1. He's got it. Let's go, dude.
Steal.
Daniel, congrats, man. That is an absolute mega steal. Basically got this reel for little over $200 off. And like I said, it's like new. So even though it's quote unquote used, it's in really good shape. Every time I take it out of the boat, I hang it up on my wall, so it stays there. Wow, that was a good one. That was a good one. Daniel, do you want me to sign this reel? Oh, sign something in the box. Gotcha.
All right, so in here is a signed pack of Crack and Crawl Juniors, signed by Jon B. Very cool. I don't think I'll be fishing with them. I think these are just gonna go on display, but it was signed by Jon B himself. And here is the reel. Very nice. Super smooth. This is a Daiwa Steez. It's got that purple accent. And it has been used, but not too much. Basically brand new, he said. Very cool. I can't wait to fish with this reel. The smaller size than my other reels. The other ones I have are like 150 size. I believe he said that this one is 80 size, so it's a little bit lighter. So I noticed this. This is my first Daiwa reel, and they have this this T-wing system for where the line goes through. And I noticed that when you engage the, like when you go to cast and you press this button here, like you normally do, that flips down when the line's going off. And then when you start the reel, it flips back. So that's pretty cool. I'm not sure exactly the advantage of that, but it's something that I just noticed and I thought I'd point out. Thank you again to Jon B for doing an auction and for sending out the reel so quickly, and also for signing the pack of Guggen baits. That's awesome. I've been a fan for a long time, and I will hopefully be doing a lot of fishing with this soon. Alright, y'all. After some deliberation of which rod I want to put it on, this is not its permanent home. I'm going to get a rod for it. But so that I could use it today, the day that I got it, I put it on this one. So I'm about to go try it out. Let's see how it performs on the water. All right. They're all rigged up and ready to go. So I'm gonna throw a fluke on this because he actually said that he used this for jerkbaits, and a jerkbait, a fluke is basically a jerkbait. It's just a soft jerkbait. And I also have much better luck catching bass on a fluke than a jerkbait. So, a fluke it is. I rigged it up so it should be pretty much weedless. Oh, there's a fish. First bass. First bass on the new reel. Yes. It's not very big, but that's okay. All right, first bass. This reel was in the hands of Jon B on Monday, and now it's in mine, and I just caught a bass on it. Is he big? No, he's not, but I'll take him. See ya, buddy. there's a fish. Come through. Come through. Oh no. That's okay. That's okay. There'll be more. There's one. Another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Chill. On the new reel. Boom. I ended up catching one more fish, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you again to Jon B for, obviously I paid for this reel, but thank you for doing the auction so I had the opportunity to buy this reel. Probably would not be the owner of a Daiwa Steez otherwise. I love it so far, and hopefully I'll be able to catch some big fish on it. If you don't know, Jon B has caught several double-digit bass, so I've got some work to do. Thank you again for sending a sign pack of Googan baits, and thank you for teaching me pretty much everything that I know about fishing. I've been watching since probably 2016 or 2017, and most of what I know came from just watching YouTube videos, Jon B, all the rest of the Googan squad. So I'm proud to be able to own a reel that was Jon B's, and hopefully I can make good use of it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.